In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build business credit with bad credit with just your EIN only. Throughout this video, I will be giving you 4 websites to help build your business credit, as well as give you some tips and tricks on how to boost your business credit fast. What's good, YouTube? My name's KINGLATTA, and over here on Black Investors Group, I do teach you how to invest the easiest way as possible. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 ways to build your business credit using these 4 websites. If you want to know how to hide your credit utilization, as well as get loans up to $20,000 with having very bad credit, anywhere from a 350 score, go ahead and check out these 2 recent videos that I posted on my channel on how to hide your credit utilization and how to get personal loans. But with all that being said, man, let's get into this video. You don't want to miss anything. These 4 websites could definitely help build your business credit, so stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So the first website we got up on the list is called Credit Strong Business. So on Credit Strong, you got the Revolve, you got the Install, then you got the CS Max. So what the Revolve means is that you can instantly build revolving credit, no monthly payment required, and you may immediately boost your credit score by decreasing utilization. Also, it can be combined with Install or CS Max to boost your credit profile. Now to the Install is low fixed monthly payments that build installment credit, multiple plans to choose from. You can build your credit or build credit savings, and this can also be combined with Revolve to boost your credit profile. Now the CS Max is the build installment credit. They have the largest and longest credit builder accounts available. This is for personal and business use, and this can be combined with Revolve to build your credit. They've helped over 1 million people in small businesses, and there is no hard pull required with Credit Strong. On to the second one. Before I get into the second website, guys, I do want to make sure you guys check out the useful links in the description. Over in the description, guys, we do offer coaching calls, which is getting more and more popular, guys. So go ahead and schedule a coaching call today to learn how to boost your credit fast, to learn how to start your online business, or even to learn how to start a trucking business, because if you don't know, we have a lot of trucking videos on the channel. Because guys, don't sleep on that trucking. You can make up to $1,000 a day, sometimes even $1,300 to $1,500 a day in this trucking industry. We also have the YouTube memberships, guys. No fluff, no promo, and straight to the point content all over on the YouTube memberships for a very, very cheap price. Get it before the price goes up. And if you do like to read, guys, we do have a lot of ebook store where you can get a lot of ebooks on how to build your credit fast, and guys, just tips and tricks on credit hacks, how to build your business, your online business, and even your trucking business. Back to the video. Woo! And then for the second site, we have eCredible. Now eCredible reports to TransUnion. Of course, you can boost your credit by paying utility bills on time. You can report things such as cell phone accounts, utility accounts, and internet services. And to use eCredible, it costs $25 a year. So the things that come along with this $25 a year membership is that you will be able to check your monthly score every month. It's great for people with no credit score, and you can raise your credit score overnight by paying your utility bills on time. So eCredible is mainly for utility bills, guys. Like I said, cell phone service, utility, and then you have internet services as well. And then for the third website, guys, the third company that will help build your business credit is going to be called Red Spectrum. Now, Red Spectrum is a Net 30 vendor, and what Net 30 means is that they will have products available to buy, and so by you buying their products, guys, now you will be paying monthly payments on that product. By paying this monthly installment, now you will be boosting your credit. But what I like about Red Spectrum is that they will actually help you get started in your business. So they have a logo design, and also you can even design your own website with Red Spectrum. All you have to do to get started with Red Spectrum is simply apply and start buying some products on your first day, and then guys, you can get even a $3,500 limit. So like I said, they are Net 30, so they do give you the option to choose what credit limit you want. So by doing this, you will pick a section. You can either pick the Silver Boost section for $200 to start off with a $3,500 credit limit, the Gold Boost to get a $10,000 plus credit limit for only $500, and then you can get the Premium Boost that will give you a $25,000 plus credit limit, and it only costs $1,000 to start up. So go ahead and take a look at Red Spectrum. You guys can obviously pick your credit limit, and you can start building your credit fast by paying off of these products. Back to the video. Woo! So for the last website that I want to go over with you guys today is called Biz to Credit. So Biz to Credit is just what it sounds, guys. You have business and then you can convert your business into credit. Because guys, who doesn't like free money? Who doesn't like raising your credit, man? Because just think about it. You got business credit, then you got personal credit. So just by opening up an LLC, just by getting some business credit, now you've separated yourself into two people, literally, guys. Your EIN number is literally your business's social security number. So just by you having a EIN, you are now two people. Now you have two different credit scores. Now you can go out and buy fancy cars by having your business, guys. Even though you're probably broke personally, you probably only make 15K a year personally, but your business is banking 50K a year and you have good business credit, man, you can buy any car you want with that. Let's get right back into it. So with Biz to Credit, you can apply online in just minutes. And the decision will be made to you as fast as 24 hours. And you will get guaranteed funds within the first 72 hours. And with Biz to Credit, you can receive anywhere from $25,000 to even $6 million in funding. They have a working capital loan that starts at $25,000, a term loan that starts at $500,000, and they even have a CRE loan for commercial real estate that starts at $6 million. But for Biz to Credit, you will have to have a 580 credit score business-wise. And you will need to have 12 months in business. How would you like it if you made $1,000 to even $20,000 in passive income each month? Me and my team have helped out over hundreds of people make $1,000 minimum each month with a drop shipping store with only using one product. We have scaled a method to make over $1,000 a month with completely free ads, and you can either buy this ad course or we can run your ads for you. But if you want an online store made today, simply go on the link in my bio, schedule a consultation so we can get all the details for whatever product that you want to put on the store. And if you don't make $100 in your first month, we will fully refund you your $100 store startup fee. Stop procrastinating, guys. Get you an online store, start it up for only $200, and you can make this $200 back within your first week. Scared money does not make any money, so let's get this thing started up and let's make this money together. Before I end the video off, guys, I also want to say with Incredible, you can link up to 8 utility accounts, guys. So go ahead and check out all 4 of these websites that I just went over with you guys today. You got Red Spectrum, you got Incredible, you got Biz to Credit, Credit Strong Business. So start getting funding today, guys. Go ahead and start applying. Boost your business credit fast, man. And if you want to learn on how to get loans personally and how to hide your credit utilization, don't forget to check out these videos right here. But until tomorrow's video, man, this is Black Investors Group, where we make investing easy. If you found this video helpful, man, don't forget to like this video so that we can get this video pushed out to many others, so many more can learn how to make money the easy way, how to build their credit fast, and even business credit, man. Because as you see, we just talk about business credit over here, and we talk about a lot of different things on this channel. So be sure you subscribe so you won't miss any of this banger knowledge, and we will see you tomorrow because we do post daily. But that's all I gotta say, man. I know I'm talking a lot, but you know, that's what I do because, you know, I am an influencer educator, and I need you guys to make this money as easily as I do, man. So, you know, boost this business credit fast. Go through Incredible, go through Red Spectrum, and, you know, boost your credit fast today. Start getting these loans, start getting this funding, and start reinvesting in yourself. So with all that being said, we out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it.